I've named him Herman. Herman a monster. He is a motherfucker. He's a monster. Look, he mad. He just cussed me back out. Do you see him? See that? See that? He going crazy. He done lost his effing mind. Look at him. He is this motherfucker. He done gone crazy. Look at him. He is after these birds. Look at this. Okay, so this is a lamp, right? And it's got these little teeny birds in a cage. And it's on this wooden lamp. I don't know where I found it, but you know I love birds. You see that bird? My sister made me that window color bird. And he is trying his best to get to these little lovebirds. This crazy MFer. And you see in the back where I got that owl back there, he ain't doing shit. Does this little determined, look at him. He down here by these birds. He trying to get, look at him. He came down there. He trying to get them birds. Amazing, right? He is determined